Your attention span is not naturally weak. It has been trained to become distracted. Constant notifications, short videos, social media, and endless scrolling condition the brain to expect non-stop stimulation and instant rewards. Over time, this makes studying, reading, and deep work feel boring or mentally exhausting. The problem is dopamine overload. When the brain becomes used to high stimulation, normal tasks no longer feel rewarding. But attention can be rebuilt. Start by reducing overstimulation. Spend time without your phone. Stop consuming content every free second, and allow yourself to experience boredom again. Boredom helps reset the brain's attention system and improves mental clarity. Then practice focus daily. Even 20 minutes of uninterrupted work can strengthen concentration over time. Focus works like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. Protecting your attention means taking back control of your mind.